Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Formatting Data, Cells, Rows and Columns in Microsoft Excel 2010. Once again, I repeat the topic, Introduction to Formatting Data, Cells, Rows and Columns in Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay, so before that, so what we are going to do is, we are going to discuss about the style group, right? About these three. So conditional formatting, format as table, cell style. So these are the three things we are going to discuss right now. So once again, I repeat: it's first one is a conditional formatting, and second one is on format as table, and third one is on cell style. So this style group is available in Home tab. So by default, Home tab is active, right? Whenever you open an Excel, by default the Home tab is active. In Home tab, where you can able to find style, which will be having three options. One is a conditional formatting, and second one is a format as table, and third one is cell styles. Okay, what is a cell style? A cell style is defined as a set of formatting characters. What is a cell style? Is defined as a set of formatting characters. What is that characters? What that character consists of or comprises of? Okay, such as font, and this font size, number formats, cell borders, and cell shadings. Okay, so what is a cell style? Is a defined set of formatting characters. It's a defined, we are going to define it, or else we are going to use the predefined one. That's why we used to say as a predefined set of formatting characters, such as like font size, number format, and border, cell border, and cell shading. Okay, and before that, if you want to apply a cell style, what you have to do is you want to follow this. To select and to do this, click the cell or press the arrow to move to the cell, right? For example, if you want to select a cell, you click it or use the arrow key to move it. And second one, a range of cell, click the first cell in the range and then drag to the last cell, or hold down shift while you press the arrow key and to extend your selection. You can also select the first cell in the range and then press F5 to extend the selection by using the arrow key. To stop extending the selection, press F8 again. Say you just hold the shift key, okay, to go for selection, or else simply, okay, you make an active cell and then press F8 and then just use your keys, arrow keys, to make the selection. And if you want to stop the selection, and press F8 once again, you can able to stop it. Okay, next, a large range of cell, click the first cell in the range and then hold down the shift key. You click the last range in cell, you can scroll to make the last cell visible. Okay, it's very simple. If you want to go for a large range of selection, okay, you first select the cell and then hold the shift key and then press the last cell, where you can able to see a range of selection, a large range of selection, by scrolling. And all cells on a worksheet, select this select the select all button, and to select the entire worksheet you can also press Ctrl A or the selection all button. Nor, if the worksheet contains data, Ctrl A select the current region and press the Ctrl A second time, select the entire worksheet, right? So if you want to select the entire region, here is a select all button, you just click it, or else use Ctrl A, so which is used to select the entire worksheet. Non-adjacent cell or cell range, select the first cell or range of cell and then hold down the control, you select the other cells or range. Okay, you can also select the first cell or range of cells and then press shift F5 to add another non-adjacent to a range of selection. To stop adding cells or range to the selection, press shift 8 again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this and press shift F8 and then this up to this, okay, and select shift F8. So So again select this, press shift 8 F8. Okay, and then need this, and then hold the control to select this. Okay, and this, see, you can able to do a range of selections, a multiple range of selections, right? Whenever you want to stop it, press shift F8. So now the selection has been stopped. Okay, now the entire row or column, click the row or column heading. Okay, so you can use the arrow keys or control shift down, see, and see here control shift, where we can able to select. Okay, if you want to select the column down, right, this is how you can able to select the row and column, right? What you have to do is control shift left or right for row and up or down for column. Okay, so this is how you want to select it. An adjacent row or column, drag across the row or column heading, or select the first row or column, then hold the shift key that you want to select for last row or column. You select the row or column and shift key. Okay, so it may be row or column, so again if you want to hold the shift key. Okay, so on right row, so you can able to select like this. Non-adjacent rows or column, click the column or row heading of the first row column in your selection, and then hold down the control while you click the column or new heading of other rows or column then you want to add to the selection. Alright, the first cell, so it's very simple, use the control if you want to go for, so control shift can able to select this selection, control shift the right or left for row, and control shift up and down for column. Okay, control shift. Okay, so this is how you want to use it. Okay, so control and the same. Okay, so now I'm going for cell style. So on the home tab in the style group, click this cell style, right? Okay, so this is your home tab. Whenever you open an Excel, by default home tab is active. This is called as home tab. Inside the home tab, where you can able to find a group called as style. In this style, where you can able to file as a cell style, which consists of custom, good, bad, and neutral, data and model, titles and headings, so number format, and new cell styles and mid styles. So these are the various options in which we can able to find under cell style. So create a custom cell styles. On the home tab in the style group, click the styles cell style, click new cell style. In the style name box, type an appropriate name for the new cell style. Click format. On the various tabs in format cell dialog box, select the formatting that you want and then click OK. In the style dialog box under style include by name, by example, clear the checkbox for any formatting that you do not want to include in your cell style. Say you first select it and then go to cell style, and let us say new cell style, and go to format. Okay, and these are the various category where you can able to format it. Okay, and then go to fonts if you want to change the font, and can able to use the colors, and borders if you want to change the cell borders. Okay, and fill. Okay, and press OK, and give appropriate name for this. I'm going to give Sam, and if anything you do not need this, just uncheck it and press OK. Okay, so the name already exists. I'm going to give 1 2 3. Okay, so now where you can able to see the conditional formatting, so as well as you can able to use the existing one. So create a cell style by modifying an existing cell style. On the home tab in the style group, click cell style, do one of the following. To modify an existing cell style, right click that cell style and then click modify. To create a duplicate of an existing cell style, right click that cell style and then click duplicate. In the style name box, type an appropriate name for a new cell style. Right, it's very simple. Right, go to cell style. For example, if I want to modify that, right click, apply, modify and duplicate and delete. Right, so apply, which can be applied to this, or else if you want to modify this, modify, where you can able to modify it or you can able to reformat it. And if you want to duplicate it, it's very simple. You just cell, right click and duplicate, where we can able to save this in some other name. So these are the various options under available under cell style. Okay, and next, create a cell style by modifying an existing cell type. Right, as I told. So first what you have to do is to modify a cell style, click format on various tabs on format cells dialog box. Select the formatting that you want and then click OK. In style dialog box, enter style includes. Select or clear the checkbox for any formatting that you do not want to include in your styles. Alright, so if you want to modify, right, so it's very simple, and go to modify. So here you can check or uncheck, or whatever criteria you require, you can make check or uncheck it and press OK. And if you want to clear this and go to normal, so automatically it will come into normal, right? So normal, so where we can able to clear this. So to remove all your styles again, you want to do go for the same selection, large name of data or non-adjacent cell, the same what you have discussed, and row and column. So you do the following and select the normal style. Okay, and then this is all about cell style. Once again I repeat, you first select the area and go to cells type. Either you can able to use this available cell style, you can able to format it. Okay, or else if you want to go for a new cell style, you give your name and go to format. So these are the various format tabs. Using this various format tab, you customize your format and save it and give some name right here and press OK. Or else if you want to modify an existing one, you right click where you can apply it or modify it or duplicate it or delete it. So these are the various option comes under cell style. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to remove this normal. Okay, so next topic is conditional formatting. We will see the conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, we will be having a highlight, cell rule, and top bottom rule, and data bars, colors, scales, and icon set. And or else we can create a new rule, clear a rule, or manage rules. Okay, so let me see one by one. So you select the area and highlight. Let us say greater than. So I want to highlight the values greater than 60. Okay, so these are the various highlighting option, or else you can customize it. So I'm going to custom format. Let us say font as okay something and press OK. See where you can able to see which will be highlighted the value greater than 60. Okay, so again go to conditional format, highlight, and less than. Now I'm going to check less than 50. Okay, so various so light red fill with dark red text, yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill with dark green text, light red fill, red text, red border, or customize format. Okay, you can do it. Now I'm going to use this. So these are the values which are less than 50. and again select the region, go to conditional formatting, and between let us say I want to highlight the values between 80 to 95. Okay, so it should be highlighted with the red text. So see the red text between 60 to 18, that is 89. And if you want to do the same, first I'm going to clear rules. Okay, then again select, go to highlight and text that contain, okay, let us say a. Okay, so if you want to clear, you just select this region and clear from selection. And again if you want to apply it, apply the rule conditional formatting. First you select the region where you want to apply the conditional formatting, right? And then go for and duplicate values and more rules. And next we're going to see top and bottom rules. So top 10. Okay, so it will consider the top 10 values, and then bottom 10. Okay, so it will consider the bottom 10 values, and above average and below average. So these are the various options. Here you can use data bars. Before that I will clear the conditional formatting, clear, and you can use the data bars like this, solid or solid fill. Okay, so where the values will be identified using bars, clear it, or else color scales, using different color coding or color scales where I can able to show the difference between the values, or a set of icons like this or this, we can able to show the difference. Okay, or else you can able to create a new rule or clear the rule or manage the rules. So that's all about your conditional formatting. Next we are going to see format table. So before that I'm going to normal and cell style normal. So first I'm going to make a table by selecting the region. Okay, so next is a format as table. So here you can able to see the light, medium, dark, or a new table style. See for first strip or second strip. For example, for first strip I'm going to format it. Let us say the first strip start with this color. Okay, and then okay, and second, and let's say this. Okay, and first column format. Okay, let us say some colors. Okay. Okay, so you want to go for this style. Okay, okay, so then where you can able to sort this. So first what you have to do is you want to select the range, and then you can able to see this table style. So if you want to create a new table style, is first I format it, give some color. Okay, and second, okay, and press OK. So where you can able to have this format, or else you can able to use the existing formats. Okay, or else you can able to create a new format. And in case of pivot table, I will teach you later what is a pivot table style. And this is called as, see, where you can able to design it or import or export it. So these are the various options we can have. Either you can able to filter the data or sort the data from smaller to larger or larger to smaller. So we can able to format it as we like. Select it, go to table style, see, As I said, this all everything is based upon the desired requirement of the user. Okay, or else if you want to clear it, you can clear all the values. So this is how you want to use the formatting style. I think you may enjoy this video, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.